Have you ever found yourself going over and over again in your head the reasons that you think someone did something to hurt you at work, either to embarrass you, to sabotage you in your work, to shame you, or steal credit? Could have been any number of those kinds of work hurts. Does your mind go back to the person or the people responsible for this emotional injury and analyze and analyze and analyze the reasons behind the person doing that? Do you find yourself psychoanalyzing, even reading books or doing Google searches on explanations for their behavior? Well, I'm going to show you today why that is not a good use of your time or energy and what is a better use of your time and energy to move forward in a more positive way. For the best research-based practical workplace advice, check out the new videos I post every week by clicking subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss a single one. I'm Dr. Erika Garms, CEO of WorkingSmarts, where I help smarties like you work, manage, and lead smarter using brain-friendly methods. I've shared my methods with thousands and thousands of people across many industries to help them get more done, perform at a higher level, both in and out of work, lower their stress, lead teams better, and make change in novel and really effective ways. So what to do if you find yourself ruminating? Ruminating is when you go back to the same cycle of thought over and over and over again, and you don't really get anywhere. It's just like you're caught in a hamster wheel of that thinking. So here's what I do and what I recommend you try if you find yourself caught in that spiral. Ask yourself these questions. Number one, is this thinking helping me move forward? Okay, so is the way that you're thinking, the thought spiral, the thought hamster wheel that you're in right now, is it helping you move yourself, your career, your psyche, your emotions forward in any way? Question two, is this feeling helping me move forward productively? The way that I feel right now as I'm thinking about these things, trying to psychoanalyze the person, come up with reasons why they did certain things, is that feeling that I'm holding on to, is that moving me forward productively? Question three, will this thinking or feeling change the person or the people who did me wrong? You probably know the answer to that, but it's important to think it and then say the answer to yourself. Question four, how would I rather feel right now? And this can be really simple. These questions are questions that you just whip through, not long pondering questions. How would I rather feel right now? And after those four questions, you take a step forward. It could be a tiny step. And what I mean by that is you need to break the hamster wheel, right? You need to stick a stick in that hamster wheel to stop it, to interrupt. So you need a pattern interrupter. Physically, biophysically, you need a pattern interrupter to stop that habitual ruminating thought, which is causing the feelings as well. So anything that you can do to break that cycle is positive. Examples: go get a glass of ice water. Sip said ice water. Go outside, walk around, do 10 jumping jacks, make a phone call. It could be most anything that isn't stewing about the thought in your head. So again, the four questions and then the one step forward is really going to help you over time. Help yourself break the habit of that thinking, which isn't helping you. One, is this thinking moving me forward? Two, is this feeling moving me forward? Three, will this thinking or feeling change the person or the people? And four, how would I rather feel right now? And then five, move productively forward in some small way. So tell me in the comments below, how often do you catch yourself ruminating about trying to psychoanalyze the people that did you wrong? Is this hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or have you phased out of that habit? Because it is a habit, which means it can be broken. If this was helpful and you're interested in learning more about how I help people restore themselves in a program called Restore, check out the video description to find out how to get more information about this Restore program, and check out other videos in this channel on bullying, about healing work hurts, and about the Restore program as well. If you like this video, please hit like and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Take good care.